Welcome to the 2016 presidential Trig elections, featuring Bernie Snapple and Donald Trumpado.
Hello, candidates. From now on, presidential elections will involve math. You will be given 6 problems, and the candidate who answers the most correctly will be the president for the next 4 years, because if you cannot do math, what makes you think you can run the country? Good luck to you both. First problem. Please simplify cos 95 cos 71 plus sine 95 sine 71. Oh, I remember doing this in school. So this is sum and difference. So you're going to do cos 95 cos 71 plus sine 95 sine 71. And you're going to use cos u minus v. So that's cos 95 minus 71, which gives you cos 24. The answer is cos 24. Cos 24 is correct. Congratulations, Bernie. Next question. Using product to sum, what is cos 7x times sine 5x?
The answer is 1/2 sine 12x minus 1/2 sine 3x.
I'm sorry, Donald, but that is not correct. Bernie, if you get this question right, you will be in the lead. So for product to sum, you have cos 7x minus sine 5x, so you're going to use cos u times sine u, and that's where you get this equation from. Then you're just going to plug in your u and your v, so your u is 7 and your v is 5. And so for this you get 1/2 sine 12x minus sine 2x, and that can be further simplified. Oh, the answer is 1/2 sine 12x minus 1/2 sine 2x. That is correct, Bernie. Now, next question. What is tan 75 simplified to using half-angle identity? So for this, you're using half-angle identities, and you're going to do tan parentheses u over 2. And you get the 150 from because 75 times 2 is 150. And so then you just plug everything in, and you have to have a common denominator. That's why I multiplied the 1 over 1 times 2. And you cancel out the 2's. The answer is 2 plus square root of 3 over 1. That is correct, Bernie Snapple. Now, let's go ahead and take a break. We'll be right back. Make sure to buy Pillow Talk by Zayn Malik on iTunes.
And we're back to the 2016 presidential Trig elections. Problem number 4. Simplify 2 cos squared 90 minus 2 sine squared 40 using double angle identities.
So for this, you're using cos 2u, and you carry out the 2, so you get cos squared 90 minus sine squared 40. And so then that turns into 2 parentheses cos squared 50, and then you get 2 cos squared 100.
The answer is 2 cos squared 100.
Donald Trumpado, unfortunately that is correct. Question number 5. Please simplify cos 195 plus cos 75. Using sum to product, so you're going to use that formula. And then your u is 190 and your v is 75, so you're just going to plug everything in. And so you'll get 270 over 2 for your first set, and then your second set will be 120 over 2 because you're subtracting u minus v instead. And then you'll just multiply these out, and these are supposed to be on the unit circle, and then you'll get your answer.
The answer is square root of 2 over 2. We are finally at our final question. This question will finalize the final results and finally give us our 2016 president.
Fellow candidates, please reduce cos to the power of 4x. So you're going to do power reducing on this one, and your equation is cos squared u equals 1 plus cos 2u over 2. And you're going to plug in your formula, and then since it's cos to the power of 4u, like that's what you started with, you have to like derive both of these, and then you would do 1 plus cos 2x and then 1 plus cos 2x, and then you'd multiply like them out, and you'd get 1 plus cos 2x plus cos 2x plus cos squared 2x. And then from this, since you still have that squared, you have to keep going. So then you would basically have to put the equation over 2, over 4, my bad. And then put everything on top over 1, and then you need that common denominator. So you'd have to multiply whatever is over 1 by 2 to have a common denominator on the top. So once you have that, you can put all of those over 4. But since you can't have that, you're going to have to do keep, change. So you put your top equation, and then you multiply that over 1/4. And so obviously the top times 1 will still give you what you had in the first place, but 2 times 4 will give you 8. And so now you have to combine like terms. And you get 3 plus 4 cos 2x plus cos 4x over 8.
And the winner of the 2016 presidential Trig election is Brittany Snapple!